Making money from real estate investing. When it comes to making money in real estate investing, there are only a handful of ways to do it. Though the concepts are simple to understand, don't be fooled into thinking they can be easily implemented and executed. An understanding of the basics of real estate can help investors work to maximize their earning. Real estate gives investors and other portfolio asset class increased diversification and can limit risk if approached correctly. There are three primary ways investors could potentially make money from real estate. Number 1, an increase in property value. Number 2, rental income collected by leasing out the property of tenants. Number 3, profit generated from business activity that depend upon the real estate. Real estate increase in property value. First, it comes important to understand that property value do not always increase. The lack of assets increase can become painfully evident during periods like the late 1980s and early 90s. Cyclic adjust cap rate purchase. The trick to buy when cyclically adjust cap rates, the rate of return on a real estate investments are attractive. You buy when you think there is a specific reason that a particular piece of real estate will somebody be worth more than a person cap rate alone indicates should be. Rental income as a margin of safety. Rental income can be margin of safety that protects you during economics downturns or collapse. Certain types of real estate investments may be better situated for this purpose. Leases and rent can be relatively safe income. Number last, money from real estate business operation. The final way of making money from real estate investment involves special services and business activities. If you are on a hotel, you might sell on-demand movies to your guests. If you own office building, you might make money from vending machine and parking garage. If you are a car wash, you might take money from time controlled vacuum cleaners. So this is a short video how to make money from real estate. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.